Okay guys, what is up? Today, I am going to be unboxing, like I said yesterday, I would be unboxing mug. I know you might be asking yourself, why would you do this very stupid thing? Well, I don't know. Why are you asking me? But I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. I now have scissors. I know. Now, let's do this. Hold on. There we go. I've been waiting for this since yesterday. Ooh. Amazon. I'm not going to show you. Here it is. More tape, bruh. Kidding me. Okay, I'll get with you after I open this. Okay, I got the wrapping off. Now, bro, more tape. Doesn't that sound like when teachers grind their nails on a chalkboard? That's how styrofoam makes me feel. Makes me want to grind my teeth. Well, I'll get with you after I do this. Okay, we're back. I opened it. Look at it. Dude, I've been waiting for this, like I said, since... What is this? There. Bro, hold on. There we go. Whatever. It's amazing. Would I rate this product? 10 out of 10. You should buy it. Goodbye.